Camtasia 2018 is all about increasing your speed and consistency. This is the most powerful Camtasia ever. Improved playback now gives you more stability with greater responsiveness in the editor. Even your final edits will feel a lot smoother. And when your video is finished, production time is faster than ever before. With the new Camtasia Library, you can store and organize your frequently used media and assets, so you can quickly find and use them throughout any of your videos, getting a head start on future projects. To help you get started, the library comes packed with pre-made intros, outros, animated backgrounds, and more. Easily build themes with custom color and font preferences. Then apply them to produce videos with a consistent look and feel that matches your company brand or personal style. Along with all of those enhancements, we've added 2 new behaviors, as well as incorporated the ability to preserve the original quality of your footage by editing and producing videos at 60 frames per second. Take advantage of upgrade pricing and experience Camtasia 2018 today. Upgrade now.